Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best benchtop jointers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Delta Power Tools 37071 6-inch MIDI-Bench jointer. Our runner-up Benchtop Jointer, this unit from Delta Power Tools has a lot to offer. It is slightly smaller than its competitors, but nearly twice as heavy. The reason is the cast iron fence and table, which make this jointer extremely sturdy. They even serve to reduce vibration when the machine is running, and durable. Woodworkers who need precision and appreciate machine build quality absolutely love this cast iron construction, although it can rule out this jointer as a mobile tool to bring to on-site projects. The fence itself runs nearly the length of the table and is adjustable between 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Where this machine falls short of the jointer from the POWERTEC is primarily in the cutter head, which uses a two-blade design rather than the more quiet and durable spiral blade design. The cutter head is also smaller and runs slightly slower, at 10,000 RPM. Together, these specifications make the jointer less efficient for high-volume jobs that are top pick. Another plus to this jointer is the 5-year warranty, which gives peace of mind that this machine will be a part of your woodworking for many years to come. Moving on at number 4, we have the Shopfox W1829 Benchtop Jointer, 6-inch. This benchtop jointer from Shopfox is designed with precision in mind and sports a low price targeted at hobbyist woodworkers. The machine is built with fully cast iron infeed and outfeed tables and fence, which makes it feel extremely stable even when working with heavy, 6-inch wide hardwood boards. Of course, at 80 pounds this is not a machine that professionals will be transporting between job sites. The fence is easy to adjust and has angled stops at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees for making beveled edges. The cutter head uses the common two-blade design, part of what makes this jointer so low cost, and has a fixed speed of 10,000 RPM. The cutting depth is easily adjustable, which is helpful for making precise cuts or beveled edges. A great feature of this jointer is the integrated dust collection. The jointer has a built-in 2.5-inch dust port and comes with a collection bag, so it is easy to set up and does an excellent job of keeping sawdust in the bag and out of your workspace. When purchasing this jointer, it is important to check the tables. Some users found manufacturing defects in which the infeed or outfeed tables were not level. Thankfully, this defect is covered under the 2-year warranty. At number 3, we have the WEN 6560 10-amp 6-inch benchtop jointer with filter bag. This benchtop jointer from WEN is another cast iron machine intended more for hobbyists working in a home garage than for professionals moving between job sites. The infeed table, outfeed table, and fence are constructed of cast iron and offer plenty of stability and durability for working with even thick hardwood boards. The fence is easily adjustable from 45 degrees to 90 degrees to 135 degrees for adding beveled edges in your work, and the precision adjustments on the cutter head make it easy to fine-tune your cuts. Note, though, that some of the adjustment knobs are made of plastic rather than iron, and many users noted that these plastic parts were far less durable than the rest of the machine. The cutter head itself uses the common two-blade design and features an especially large diameter 6:1/8 rotor, nearly the entire width of the cutting table. At a fixed speed of 10,000 RPM, this cutter head is on par with most of the other two-blade designs on the market. However, in contrast to many other benchtop jointers, this machine has a maximum cut depth of 1/10, as opposed to the more common 1/8. The shorter cut depth means that it may take more passes through the jointer to achieve a straight edge, especially for thick boards. A nice feature of this jointer is the integrated dust collection system, which uses a 2.5-inch dust port connected to an included collection bag. Users loved this system and found that it was extremely effective at keeping sawdust from collecting around the jointer. At number 2, we have the POWERTEC BJ600 bench jointer with built-in dust collection, 6-1/8 inch. This benchtop jointer from POWERTEC is a bargain given the fully cast iron construction. This durable and sturdy construction dampens vibrations, although the added weight means that it is not a particularly mobile jointer. The cast iron fence is sturdy and can be easily adjusted between 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees. However, some users found that despite the quality materials, the jointer had some assembly issues that allowed for a slight wiggle in the table and drastically reduced its usefulness for perfectionist woodworkers. In addition, the jointer table is slightly shorter than competitor tables. Unfortunately, POWERTEC did not follow up on their cast iron construction with a spiral blade. The cutter head uses a 2-blade design with a non-adjustable 10,000 RPM motor. Regardless, the cutting head features the same 1/8 inch cutting depth as its competitors and a maximum board width of more than 6 inches. A very welcome feature of this benchtop jointer is the included dust port. Users found that this effectively captured dust and does a very good job of keeping your garage from filling up with sawdust. And finally at number 1, we have the Grizzly G07256 by 28 inch benchtop jointer. For users who want a heavy-duty benchtop jointer that is all but guaranteed to last a lifetime, this machine from Grizzly is a great option. The entire jointer is constructed of durable metal, the tables and fence from cast iron, and all the remaining adjustment knobs and parts of steel. The only plastic piece on the machine is the power switch. Of course, at over 80 pounds, you'll want to set aside a dedicated bench space where this machine will never need to be moved after purchase. The table is a few inches longer than on competitor benchtop jointers, which gives a little extra space for working with long boards. The only downside is that adjusting the infeed board requires a difficult adjustment from underneath the table. Many users found that the bolts required for this adjustment were so tight as to require a torque wrench, which can be off-putting to users who care more about flexibility than durability. The fence, thankfully, is easy to adjust between 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees stops using an adjustment knob. The cutter head is on par with most benchtop jointers. It uses a 2-blade design with a 1/8 maximum cut depth and a fixed operating speed of 10,000 RPM. Users found that the stock blades needed to be replaced quickly, although this is the case for many benchtop jointers. This machine also features integrated dust collection through a 2.5 dust port. The dust collection system is very effective at keeping sawdust out of the air, which makes it easier to work with the jointer in an enclosed garage. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.